Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about chasing the sunset. In saying that, I mean I want to talk to you about the core values that have not been priorities in my life that have caused me to keep chasing the sunset instead of being able to sit and watch it. So, first of all, core values, there's many we could have: motivation, positivity, commitment. These things listed here are just examples of things that we learn as we grow up through our family or through our professional careers. Core values are fundamental beliefs. They help us decide what is right and what is wrong and what is not acceptable. And they're illustrated throughout our lives, personal and professional. So in this, I decided I needed to know my mission, to know what was displaced and that was not in my life properly as far as core values not being used. So whether in a corporation or your personal life, finding these strengths in the core value system is important. You need to decide what your mission is. So the core values that were not lived out priorities in my life are balancing my personal and professional life and keeping open-mindedness. So sometimes we just need to remember that simplicity is the best between our personal and our professional lives. And keeping that balance is only healthy. Over or under use of either one of these can be detrimental on a personal and professional level. When you have professional balance, you increase your productivity, you improve your brand, you create a good environment for your physical health. And then keeping your personal life balanced is better relationships within your family, self-growth, productivity. You enjoy life and work more. You're healthier. You sleep better. And then my open-mindedness feeds into that. Having an open mind to let some of this control go, and it promotes education within myself. And I build personal and professional relationships, which I also experience growth and change. And in putting these things first, I can start getting these back into my daily life by redesigning my day to balance my personal and professional life. Make a daily list, separate the quality time away from the unnecessary, delegate things, set boundaries. Know it's okay to say no, so I can in turn sit and watch the sunset. And keeping open-mindedness and getting this core value back into my day, I can do that by educating myself, pushing myself, consider the outcome, give away some small jobs, and lead over to the bigger stuff. Hear ideas from other people and offer more responsibility to others, and so that I can create a balance between my personal and professional life, and therefore, again, as I said, watch the sunset by simplifying my life and holding on to my core values at the same time. Thank you.